have heard it before. AI is changing everything. Code is shipping faster. Design cycles are shrinking. And testing, it's barely keeping up. We are living through an AI first revolution, just like mobile first a decade ago. Except this time, the speed of creation is outpacing the speed of validation. And here's the scary truth: more AI means more code. More code means more bugs. And more bug means a testing demand that's about to explode. Analyst predicts team will soon need 3 times more testing capacity and 10 times higher productivity just to keep accessibility baselines intact. AI can now run automated plugins, simulate assistive technology workflows, and even run screen reader testing. That's not the future. That's happening right now. So let me ask you a hard question. If AI can spot accessibility issues in seconds, do we still need manual accessibility? Because if your site passes AI tests only but fails real people, then maybe, just maybe, your definition of accessibility is broken. Hi, Accessibility Champion. I'm Param Singh. And on this channel, we build inclusive and accessible experiences that works for humans. And today, we are unpacking one of the biggest shifts in our field and how you can stay ahead of it. But before we dive in, if you have been learning from these videos and want to go beyond watching, you can now join the channel as a member and directly support our mission of building a more inclusive digital world, one page at a time. And here's what you will unlock. Accessibility explorers will get loyalty badges, live chats, and priority replies. Accessibility champions will get access to members-only polls and shorts. Accessibility masters, the most popular one, you will get access to premium deep dive videos. And lastly, accessibility leaders will get access to bi-weekly one-on-one sessions for 30 minutes. Your support helps me keep creating high quality, meaningful content and push our mission of making the digital world inclusive. Hit the join button below and let's keep building experiences that works for everyone. Before AI took over, accessibility testing looked something like this. Open your website, launch ND or XDev tools, perform keyboard checks, then use NVDA or VoiceOver. All done manually. But fast forward to 2025, AI agents can now crawl entire sites, understand design patterns, and even simulate basic screen reader interactions. It's fast, it's efficient, and it sounds incredible until you realize that AI does not feel the frustration. It does not get confused when navigation breaks. It does not struggle to buy groceries online. AI checks your code, but humans check the experience. And accessibility at its core is not about perfection. It's about a better human experience. So, if users can't complete their task, it does not matter how perfect your code is. Let's be real. AI is not here to replace us. It's here to help us. It's that overachieving teammate who never sleeps, never complains, and actually loves the boring stuff. You need test transcripts? Instead of spending days writing them line by line, you can now ask AI agents to generate both functional and WCAG cases in minutes. It saves time, expands coverage, and even find corner cases you might miss. AI agents can simulate screen readers, run navigation flows, and check WCAG conformance automatically. But here's the catch. They can tell you an element is focusable. They can't tell you if that focus makes sense. They can generate accessibility code, but can't confirm if it's actually usable. AI tools today are like Grammarly for accessibility. Awesome at catching the obvious stuff. But just like Grammarly doesn't make you a better writer, AI does not automatically make your product accessible. It can tell you something was read by a screen reader, but not whether that text made any sense. And AI is not yet trained to handle the chaos of different browsers, operating systems, and assistive technologies. So yes, AI gives you speed and scale and does roughly 70% of the job. But the last 30%, that's where the real users live. If you have ever seen AI completely miss an accessibility bug, comment I have. Let's see how common this issue is. Let's be honest, Manual testing is not glamorous. It's slow, repetitive, and feels like detective work. But it's where accessibility becomes real. Think of it like cooking. AI gives you the recipe, the right measurements, the timer. But you still need a chef to taste and make sure it's edible. Manual testing does that. It ensures that the experience feels right. In my experience, I have seen AI miss custom widgets that trap focus, announcement gaps, and context errors visible only during navigation. And here's the twist: manual testing doesn't just fix problems, it teaches AI how to get better. Every human validated issue trains smarter models. So, ironically, the more we test manually, the more we make AI stronger. Accessibility today isn't man or machine, it's both. We call it hybrid testing, where AI does the heavy lifting, creating test cases, scanning, pattern detection, and code validation. Humans step in for usability and assistive technology checks. This approach is faster, smarter, and empathetic. And here's the crazy part: I have asked this question to top accessibility leaders, those who have scaled accessibility at Fortune 500 companies, built inclusive systems, and led multiple audits. Every single one of them said it's not man or machine. It's a marriage between AI and manual efforts. And that's the future. AI brings scale, humans bring soul. That's how accessibility is scaling without losing humanity. We are not bug hunters anymore. We are AI trainers, user experience translators, and empathy advocates. If you are in accessibility today, your job is evolving faster. You will spend less time doing repetitive checks and more time designing hybrid workflows, training teams to think inclusively, setting accessibility KPIs, teaching AI with human insights, and advocating for accessibility at the decision table. So, tomorrow's testers will need technical mastery, AI literacy, and empathy. Accessibility is moving upstream into design systems, prototypes, and AI education. That's the next evolution: accessibility embedded in your culture. So let's answer the big question once and for all. Is manual accessibility testing dead? No, not even close. Because accessibility isn't a checkbox problem, it's a human experience problem. AI can measure compliance, only humans can measure inclusion. Until AI can feel frustration, empathy, or delight, manual testing will remain the heart of accessibility. So, to summarize, if you are in accessibility, embrace AI. It's your accelerator. But never forget your why. The real power of accessibility lies in empathy, intuition, and creativity. The best testers of 2026 won't just use AI, they will lead it, teach it, and humanize it. Your role isn't dying, it's evolving. You're not being replaced by AI. You are training it to build a more inclusive world. If you found this helpful, hit like. It helps more than you think. Comment below what's one thing you have seen AI doing wrong. And join our community for deeper dives into accessibility, AI, and inclusion. And together, let's keep building a digital world that works for everyone. This is Param Singh signing off.